Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jonathan. Finally, I have graduated from TAFE, so from today, I can have my YouTube channel updated regularly. In today's vlog, is nothing about tutorial, nothing about how to shoot your photos or how to edit your videos. Today, just one normal vlog. I would like to introduce something different, something new for me. Yeah, it's actually not really new for this market, especially for some videographers. They probably have got their new toy about 2 months ago or 1 month ago. Although they released that a month ago, I know some of the YouTubers, they have got the pre-orders from DJI. Yes, it's a new drone. Dun 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 dun. This is my new toy. Let's see what's inside the box. This case, I guess it's the bottle, because when I purchased the drone, the sales in the store, they told me, I can have an extra gift from DJI. They asked me whether I like a cap or a bottle, and I told them I have got my cap already when I got my gimbal. It's Ronin-S. When I got that about 1 year ago, but I used that really rare in this year, just like I did a course in TAFE, so I don't have that much opportunity to use the gimbal actually. Yeah, by the way, I took the course is mass communication. Actually, in my opinion, its name still like the mass media, but anyway, they have changed that name. Just like when I did my master degree in ECU, they normally call their course like computer and network security, but now they just changed the name to cybersecurity. Probably that name looks more professional or more beautiful, I don't know. Yeah, this is a bottle. Yeah, just a normal bottle. Yeah. Oh, something dropped. Yeah, here. And let me show you the main stuff. Oh, this one. This is the Mavic Mini. Yeah, I got it with the combo. I don't know. A lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, they say for the mini thing, we don't need a combo because the battery is long enough. You can only use one battery for 30 minutes flying. But anyway, I got the combo package. You know what? This drone actually purchased about 1 month ago. It's, let me see. It was 16th in November, but today it's, more than 1 month already actually. Okay, let me. Say, this is my invoice. It's 6th of November. I just have my documentary, my all assessments in TAFE finished. So then I have time now. I can open up this box finally. If you have followed my channel, you guys probably know that normally I don't like to destroy the original case, just like probably after 3 years or 2 years, I want a new toy and I can sell my current toy to another guy. And yeah, I want to keep my every toys like cameras and gimbal and my microphone, all the equipment with their original packs. This is the body, I guess. And yeah, what's that inside? Yeah, there's some instructions inside. Oh. This is a combo. Yeah. This is a wings protector. Yeah. And what's this? Flying with control and flying with control again. Yeah. Important safety information. Do we really need to read? It's just some common sense stuff. This is a charger and have it unboxed. And take the charger out. Take the charger out. Yeah, this is the charger. See? And it's DJI adapter power and yeah, a normal charger, 5 volt and 2A. Yeah, that's it. And put it away. I guess these are instructions. Yes, all instructions. A lot of guide, user guide, safety guidelines, and yeah, how to stamp that. Here is a WeChat barcode on the back. Yes, and yeah. Follow the guide, yes or no. Okay, nothing left in the case. Nothing left now. This is a battery. 3 batteries, actually. Yeah, batteries, and another battery. Cool. That's a magic. And yeah, nothing left. Let's start with the body. This is the body. I love this sound. Bum, 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 bum. This is the drone. See? That's it. Take this off. And yeah, take this off. And take this off as well. Here is the drone. Oh. Don't know. I guess it's like a crab. Crab. Yeah. DJI Crab Mini. Mini crab. Yeah. And here, this one is a case for batteries. You can put the batteries inside this case. And what's that inside? Here, the cables. Yeah, just the normal cables. Yeah, it's mini USB cable. I don't know why they're still using the mini USB cable, but I guess they just wanted to support more equipment, more phones to connect with the controller. And this one, cables again, and put the cables away. See. Okay, finally we have all stuff take out. Yeah, another two cables. And here, what's this? This is the controller itself, I guess. Yeah, this is the controller. And take it out. Oh, that's beautiful. So, we got the controller and the drone today. In next vlog in the future, I will show you guys some footages I'll shoot by using this. Okay, probably this is the time we have for today. And yeah, just like I mentioned, if you like my video, please give me a thumb. If you don't like it, give me a thumb. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And then you will get more vlogs, tutorials from your friend Jonathan. Ciao.